So you may have seen a video I did about a CNC router for PC boards, and it was sent into the channel for review, and it got me interested again in CNC machines, and I thought that it would help me resurrect an old project. So here is my CNC router that I designed oh my gosh, 15 years ago now, maybe 20 years ago. Anyway, it was a pet project of mine. I got a bunch of scrap aluminum out of the machine shop at work, and I found some people online who had built some, and I designed my own. It's all designed from scratch. And I bought some lead screws and stuff. They don't match, but they were what I could find for a reasonable price and stuff. I remember I needed a spindle, and I wanted a real beefy spindle. So it was actually a Christmas present. My wife bought me this Bosch router spindle. It's pretty heavy duty, and I put it together. Then I needed control electronics, so I found a box and I put some electronics in it. I hooked it up, and I was using Mach 3. I don't think the Fusion was Fusion 360 around. I don't even remember how I was doing the G code. Anyway, I think I was using SolidWorks. At that point in time, we were using SolidWorks at work, and you as part of the license agreement, you could have a copy at home. So I was using SolidWorks. And anyway, then I kind of lost interest in it, and it's been sitting in my garage. It's not collecting dust because I put it in an enclosure, but it was noisy, and it was fiddly, and a lot of work to do what I needed it to do, and 3D printers got better, so I kind of lost interest in this project. So anyway, I've gone ahead, now that I've kind of investigated 3D routers again, I look to see what people are doing these days, and there are new control boards that are super, super easy to put in now. It should be a nice upgrade. So I'm going to upgrade this thing and see if it sparks interest again, and see if I start using it again, and maybe actually cutting some aluminum. That would be good. I don't think I need it for PC board use, but it would be nice if it doubled for PC board use. But what I really wanted it for is actually CNC aluminum again, which it did do it in its day. Here's just a little sample. I did a speed crank from my mill. I did some other CNC works for it, mostly out of wood, some plastic, very little out of aluminum, because it was difficult, and like I said, I kind of lost interest. So anyway, let's see if we can't resurrect this thing.